When I travel, I spray it on everything. If there's a lounge area in my room, I also spray the love seat, and I even spray the blackout curtains. Because one thing I will not bring back home with me are bed bugs. Hey guys, I'm Crystal Amanda and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing the 5 things to always pack when traveling. Pretty much holy grails when packing. So without further ado, let's jump right in. The first thing you don't want to forget to pack before traveling is a must-have, and that is bed bug spray. One of the first things you should do when you get to your hotel room or Airbnb is check for bed bugs. Then treat the mattress, headboard, and the carpet around the bed if your room has carpet flooring. When I travel, I spray it on everything. If there's a lounge area in my room, I also spray the love seat, and I even spray the blackout curtains. Because one thing I will not bring back home with me are bed bugs. The second thing you don't want to forget to pack before traveling are disinfectant wipes and or spray. If you're like me, I disinfect everything when I get to my hotel room. The bathroom sink, toilet seat, doorknobs, light switches, basically all surfaces that I touch. And I use the disinfectant spray to spray throughout the room. Because let's be real, the rooms may look clean, but are they really thoroughly sanitized? I usually pack both the wipes and the spray when I travel, which are both travel sizes, and you can get these at your local pharmacy or Amazon. The third thing you don't want to forget to pack before traveling is either Pepto Bismol or TUMS. This is in case you drink or eat the wrong foods, or if you tend to get indigestion after eating, you'll want relief at your fingertips. And be careful with the liquid Pepto Bismol because it got confiscated from me on my way back to the US. But on a brighter side, Pepto comes in tablets, liquid caps, and chewables. So I recommend packing any of these instead of the liquid, just in case. The next thing you don't want to forget to do is if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and click that subscribe button, just in case you forget. Right. You like how I just slid that in there? Okay, moving on. The fourth thing you don't want to forget to pack before traveling are painkillers. Like Advil, ibuprofen, Tylenol, whatever you normally take for pain relief. And whether you get headaches often or not, you never know when you may need them. The fifth thing you don't want to forget to pack before traveling is a portable charger. This is needed to charge your mobile device when you're not in your room for a long period of time. Let's say you have a full day of activity scheduled, like an excursion or a day tour booked, and won't be back in your room for hours or even all day. Most likely, your phone battery will die before you get back to your room to charge it. But if you have a portable charger, you'll be able to charge your phone and stay connected. Let me know if you have any Holy Grail must-have items that you pack before traveling. And if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please don't forget to click the like button. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!
C'est ça qui commence la pagaille. Imitation, c'est ça qui commence la pagaille.